Good morning folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So yesterday afternoon I was in the process of dismantling this platform and I was approached by my next door neighbour who asked me whether I could reconnect the downpipe to the funnel thing at the top there, which I understand is called a hopper. Obviously that was no problem at all. I had the platform out and it was just a 10-minute job really. As you can see, it's destroyed a lot of the brickwork and the mortar, and also part of the driveway which we share directly below. So not only was this helping him, it was obviously helping me as well. So I decided to start this little project just by cleaning the connecting bit at the bottom of the hopper, just to get rid of all of the crud, in order that we could get a nice clean connection with the downpipe below. Now the thing is, this was a very loose fit, so I decided to put some duct tape around the bottom of the hopper in order that we could get a nice firm friction fit. So I just went around it 2 or 3 times and that did the job wonderfully. Hello mate, how you doing? Now obviously there are loads of different ways you could reconnect these, but it just needed to be done quickly and very cheaply using materials which were available to me at that time. Obviously I didn't charge the bloke for this repair. I was just doing the guy a favour. As you can see, we've now got a nice tight fit between the two, so we just need to give them a bit of a push, get them closer together, and then I can go to stage 2. So there we go, look, that ain't going anywhere anytime soon. So the next thing I decided to do then was just to drill a pilot hole between the downpipe and the bottom of the hopper on both sides, in order that I could actually secure the two using a couple of corrosion resistant screws. Now I didn't know the next time I'd actually have the platform available, so this is a belt and braces job. I just need to do as much as I can in the short time I'm up here, just to try and make sure that this union stays in place. And clearly not only am I helping my neighbour, I'm also helping myself, because I want to do some repair work on the shared driveway below, and clearly there's no point in doing any repair work if this water is still going to be pouring out and damaging the new driveway. So whilst I was up there, I decided to also replace the plugs and the screws to make sure the hopper was very secure. Now the mortar, as you probably can see, there were big gaps in there, so I had to really sort of pack this out. And as you'll see, it worked very effectively, because when I screwed in the screw, it held very firmly. And naturally when I did that, I just repeated the process on the other side. Right, so we're nearly there. last screw, and let's see how things are shaping up. Yeah, that's a lovely job that. That's not going anywhere anytime soon. That's very secure. I didn't mess around with this pipe work because I didn't know how strong the connections were going to be on the other side, and I didn't want water gushing out in the guy's bathroom, obviously. So yeah, this may not be the best looking, most aesthetically pleasing repair, but it was cheap, it was quick, and obviously, as well, it didn't cost anything, did it? But it's done the job. Thank you for watching.